So these are the kind of differences you saw on our product cards depending on where they are hosted and how much detailing is needed. Now, similarly, we are going to create product card. Let's pick this Sony's headphones themselves and try to replicate it and also understand that what all detailing would be there and for a brand website what all things should be there. Let's make our own product card and we'll make it interactive as well, right? So we'll do that. To start with, I have these screenshots of our Sony website, and this is the desktop version, this is the mobile version, but I have improved it in a way that it's much easier to understand, and it's a bit of copy of Amazon. In fact, this part, right, all the CTAs all together. And if you see, there is a wishlist button over here, add to favorites. Here we have, but it's not visible enough. So I made sure that it is visible enough but has less priority. Also, I reordered few of the elements to say that what will be more intuitive for users to actually make the decision and hit that buy now button. Keeping all those things in mind, I have prepared these. Along with this, I have created carousel, and I'll be using same carousel on the detail page which I have already placed and in my listing cards as well. And if you want to learn how I created these, just follow my previous video where I have shown how you can create interactive carousels, and there are 4 type of interactions and this is one of them. I'll quickly show you how it works. So any user clicks on these CTAs and these arrows and they would be able to navigate and then back, right? And if you look at these, this is the same carousel. It's just that its width has been increased and we have this sort of structure. As you can see at the bottom as well, these indicators are working, right? So it's nothing more. It's just that all these indicators, I have placed them over here and actually joined these two with Smart Animate. And now let's create our product card. So I'll pick all these details from here, and first card I'll create is a horizontal card, and also I'll make it for marketplace first, and then I'll create it for a brand, and then I'll convert it into product card for quick commerce where there is less amount of detailings are required. So model will show, and will show the rating, will show the colors available, which will show the MRP with the discount, buy now or add to cart. Now this is a subjective decision, right? Buy now when we are a marketplace and we want user to quickly check out with just one. And in case of headphones, I think most of the time if user have made the decision, I think buy now should be the first. If let's say I want to upsell something at the same time and I want my user to keep exploring and keep adding and and then check out at once, then I would add to cart at the top. This would be my priority. So here two things we can do. Either we can have one CTA, right, if we want to have a quick conversion, and if not, then we'll just remove CTA altogether from our listing card. So for now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep one CTA or a smaller wishlist icon, and then see that whether that is good enough for marketplace listing page or not. All right, so I created all these cards, and when I prototype, I mean, I have already prototyped. Now, when we see its preview, they look something like this, right? And each of these smaller cards have their own product carousels, right? And even if anything goes, beyond 2 lines or 3 lines, they adjust on their own, right? Even if, let's say, there are 3 lines in this case, and if I decide to, give trim of 3, then it will automatically respond and adjust its height. So this is really good way to make your cards responsive, as well as put all the required details on your product listing card, right? Now these are horizontal. Now let's adapt them to vertical as well. And before that, I would like to say few things, that these are the different states based on what we earlier talked about. We have buy now version. We have buy now version with added to the wish list. We have add to cart version, where our priority is to get more items added to the cart and not just check out with one and that's it. Also, this is out of stock version, where price is visible if price exists, and that means sooner this product will be available, so user can just ask to notify them, and once it's in stock, an automatic email or notification can be sent. And then there is another version which is rarely used, which is discontinued. Now this version is specifically meant for brand website, where it used to be there, but now company do not manufacture or sell them. So these are the 5 versions which I can think of as of now. Let's create our vertical version as well. All right, so our vertical cards are ready, and they are good as of now. And we can create some sort of switcher over here on the top, which can let user choose the kind of orientation they want. And also we can have more information in our horizontal cards and actually have little more bigger photos in our vertical ones. And actually those two things are intent based. If our intent as a designer is to create more of a visual appeal and give more focus on visuals and images, then we should go ahead with our vertical cards with bigger pictures. Or if our focus or intent is on to give more details and talk about features and stuff, I think we should go about horizontal cards. If we think from a quick commerce perspective, it's way too much and consumes way too much of real estate, and people have less time and they want to just quickly go through a lot of different types of products, and that's why most of product cards of quick commerce sites are smaller in size. So let's make one version of that as well. And now we have our quick commerce listing card as well. And here our cards are smaller, very concise, and are consuming less real estate and giving us all the information. If required, in most of the cases, I think ratings are not visible, but in on Blinkit it does, and our model number and other things are not visible as well. So those things can be handled, and these can be made much smaller, as we know. So we can create another version which can have less or like minimum details. These, I think we can remove these as well, so colors and model numbers. And let's keep our reviews, right? And yeah, that could be it. So we can have the smallest card in our product listing. We can also create our quantity buttons, and to do that we can simply create those fields, right? And like here. So now we have our interactive button as well, and I could have made it with variables where I might not have to use these kind of tricks, but for now these will work. And I think there are some conflicting variants, so we are gonna rename all these. So let's see, this should be 01 and this should be 02, right? Similarly 03, 4 and 5, and then it will not conflict. Cool. Now let's look at the prototype, and instead of everything here, it will be just okay. Great. Similarly here. Great. So that's it for this video, guys. My name is Atul and you are watching uxtrim, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.